Hello everyone and welcome back to Pens with Emms. I am so excited because today I am going to be trying out 4 new inks from Penultimate Inks, and they are like fantasy warrior inks, which to me really just speaks of like my favorite video game of all times, which is Skyrim. But any RPG, MMORPG, whatever, is gonna have similar classes, but these are like classes of fighters that you encounter in RPGs. And if you've been around here for more than 5 seconds, you know I'm a huge dork. I work in video games, I myself play video games. Skyrim is my favorite game. I've probably sunk hundreds of hours into that game. And I mean, of course, I've played a bunch of other ones, and I geek out about them with my coworkers all the time. So I don't know about you, but I am a massive fan of playing like mage characters. So for that reason, I got Paladin. No, not Paladin, excuse me, duh. For that reason, I got Wizard, and like she calls it Wizard, like learned magic, I think. Let me look it up. Yeah, Wizard, learned magic. And then I also got Warlock, which is Eldritch magic. So I'm not going to go into it and bore the shit out of you, because I don't think if you don't know what I'm talking about already, you kind of don't care. And if you do know what I'm talking about, then you already know more than me anyway. So I also do like playing like two-handed melee characters, and so for that reason I got Fighter, because it's like Fighter and then supposed to be like worn leather, which I think is really cool. And then I also got Paladin because it looked really pretty, but also because I worked on a game called Paladins and I released it. I was part of the release team, so I felt like I had to have that one. So anyway, without further ado, let us once again use Penultimate Inks' beautiful inks as a gateway to bridge my dorkiness and my love of pens into one. Because before it was the moon, and now it is RPGs. So, you know, what can you do? All right, so while I do this, I'm going to talk about my favorite, my favorite times playing these kinds of players. So, Fighter is the first one we're going to do. This one's supposed to be remembering worn leather. And I remember when I usually, like I said, I like to play mages. I like to play magical characters. I think there's something about rain, like the ability to play from afar and like not be like right in the middle of things, that gives me some level of comfort in RPGs. However, when I was pregnant with my daughter, I started playing Diablo 3 with my then husband. I think it was Diablo 3. And I built this like two-handed weapon character, right? Like basically a brute force tank. And I had a two-handed axe, and I loved it. I just loved it. And ever since then, I have loved playing these like tanks that come in and just like beat the ever loving out of everybody. And I don't know, man, it has to be a two-handed weapon, though I don't like playing single-handed weapons. And so in Skyrim, I'll do that too. I'll sometimes build a two-handed character, and yeah, I love it. We're gonna try to draw a little sword here, see how that goes. Then we're gonna try to draw an axe. Don't tell Gimli how this is turning out, because this is garbage. Okay, that's fine. It is what it is. This is a cool ink. I like the brown. I'm really loving the shading around it. As always, their inks just behave so well. I love these inks. Just so cool. I am an affiliate with Penultimate Inks. I'll put the discount code here, get 15% off. I'm only an affiliate with people I really love. You'll notice I don't have like a ton of affiliate links. That's because if I don't really resonate with a brand, I just won't work with them. I've had a couple of places reach out and I'm like, you know, I just don't think we vibe. I don't dislike you. We just don't vibe. And obviously we vibe because the dorkiness runs deep between us. Wizard and, ooh, okay. Warlock and Paladin, all of these are shimmer. So let's go with Warlock. I do like playing Warlock, probably more than Wizards. Warlocks tend to rely more heavily on like books and needing to like have spells, versus Wizards just have like innate magic. So for example, like if you have to collect a book of spells and go to like an academy or something, then you're generally a Warlock. But if you're like just magically good at things, then you're a Wizard, is kind of my way of, the way I've understood it. I could be totally wrong and have it backwards, and that's very possible that I have it backwards. But nonetheless, I tend to prefer to play more Warlocks than Wizards. Although in Discworld, I do love the wizards. They are pretty funny, but I don't think that they distinguish there between warlocks and wizards in Discworld. Anyway, I do, yeah, like I said, I do tend to play more mages than anything else. I did like, it's funny, so like I liked watching The Witcher, but I never really got into playing the video game. So like I liked it when it was played by Henry Cavill. I actually haven't gone back and watched it with the newer guy. You'd think I would know by now who he is, but I don't. Chris Hemsworth? I don't know. But I really liked it when it was played by Henry Cavill, which is funny because it's the only thing he's done that I've really liked. And I actually went to watch more of his stuff and was like, no, don't really like Henry Cavill, but I did like him as The Witcher. So maybe I just really like The Witcher. I don't know. I haven't been able to bring myself to watch or to play it. Like I tried and it just made me want to play Skyrim more. So, you know, take that how you will. But yeah. That's a really pretty purple. That is a really, really pretty purple. And like oh, look at all the shimmer coming through. I don't know if it's visible yet in the camera, but that's really pretty. I actually wrote this with the ink before it had shimmer in it. I find her inks behave, or their inks behave really, really well. So they're juicy, if you will. All right, the next one is Paladin. So Paladins are like holy warriors. And so they, actually, you know what? Let's do Wizard. Let's just do Wizard. I'm gonna shake it up just in case. I don't think this one is a shimmer, but we're gonna find out. Yeah, I think what I like about wizards and warlocks in general, like mages, is that there's usually a wide variety of skills. Like you can still have a sword, you can still beat the crap out of people, right? You're not going to be as OP as like a true tank character is going to be, but you're still going to be able to like cause some serious damage. And you know, you also have the ability to, usually you have the ability to heal, you have the ability to cast all sorts of cool spells that give you like advantages. And I feel like in a battle, like I like battling, not necessarily alone, but I'm not someone who's always going to be going on quests and stuff with other people. Like I don't necessarily like to like do dungeons and stuff with like a group. And so the ability to cast a variety of different spells versus just going in and beating the crap out of people, I feel like it keeps it more interesting for me than if I was just a tank, right? And maybe I'm just not playing tanks right, but yeah, I like being a fighter or like a hunter or a tank when I'm playing with other people a lot more than if I'm playing by myself. So like in a 2-player game, like Diablo 3 was a 2-player game, I will totally play a melee character much more readily than I will when I'm playing Skyrim, which is very much like a 1-player game for me because I play the OG Skyrim, not the Elder Scrolls Online one. That's a really cool blue. I'm loving that. I'm loving the shading on these as well. It's really pretty. Look at that coming through. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Now, I do love purple. That is my favorite color. So I wish I had put down a bigger swatch of that one because that's really, really pretty. That is a gorgeous one. Gorgeous. And then finally, Paladins. I don't usually play Paladins. I don't know. There's something about the like goody two-shoes and stuff of them, like supposed to be like holy warriors or something. Something about that like self-righteous battle. Or like righteous battle. See, I even say self-righteous battle. That'll tell you like how I feel about them, right? I don't know. They don't speak to me, but this color was gorgeous when I saw it online. So I was like, I need to try this color. So yeah, here we are. Trying a Oh, wow. Ooh, that's really pretty. So pretty. And yeah, I think Wizard is a shimmer, or maybe it doesn't look contaminated. It just looks like a shimmer. I'm trying to put a lot of this down so I can get a good feel for it. I didn't put enough down of Warlock, I don't think. So I launched a game called Paladins, and it was an experience. Fun game. But yeah, crazy launch. So I feel like all game launches are crazy. Like if you've ever launched a video game, you know what I'm talking about. It's just a wild ride. Oh, this one's got some really cool shading. Oh, I love this one. This one's gorgeous. hold the phone. Oop, let's do this. I know I'm gonna write paladins instead of paladin. I have to remember to write paladin just with one. There we go, I did it. I love that purpley blue. This is gorgeous. Oh my God, it's like Celadon. Oh, wow, okay. These are gorgeous colors. Aside from just like the RPG tie-in and like the magical fighters, these are gorgeous. All right, well, let's let these dry. They're almost there, and then I'll zoom in and I'll show you like what we're looking at here. All right, and we're back. So the first one was Fighter, and this one has really beautiful shading. It's a tobacco leather brown for me is probably the best way to put it. It's got some really gorgeous, darker, deeper shading around the edge, but just gorgeous, gorgeous shading on this color. It did feather a lot. I don't know why that is. It could just be that I put down way too much. But this is Tamagawa Tomo River paper, so it shouldn't be feathering, and that's not something I've seen with any of their other inks, so I'm guessing I just did something weird. Next we have Warlock, and this one's really cool. This one has a really beautiful purple, just a stunning like deep amethyst purple with some darker shading, and then the gold shimmer sort of goes into that, and it looks really, it does kind of look like magic, the way it sort of like lightning bolts through there. I really love this one, especially here in the little heart. That's gorgeous. There's almost a bit of sheening in it to a very dark, shiny purple. I do think that that's just shading though. It's such a pretty purple. Next we have Wizard, and this one's really cool. This one's got some red sheening on it here. I think you can see it there. Some gorgeous red sheening. See if it'll catch for you. There it is. Gorgeous red sheening and dark shimmer, like really cool dark shimmer on it. Lots of sheening. Actually, if you tilt it, you can really see that sheening. It's a dark color, but I love this color. This one's super cool. It's a navy for sure with red sheening and dark shimmer. Very cool. And then almost its polar opposite, if you will, you have this almost Celadon blue color with purple undertones and a silver, and a silver shimmer, and that one is very beautiful. I really like that one. I really love the way that it catches the light, and like I said, that lavender to Celadon tealy gray, it's a stunning color. This one and Warlock I think are my two favorites, but that's just my own personal. This one's very cool. It has that red sheen that is very popular. So yeah, I love all four of these colors. Alrighty, and we are now at the end of our little swatching RPG session here, and I have to say, once again, just gorgeous inks. All right, and just like that, we're at the end of our RPG ink swatching session. Gorgeous colors out of Penultimate Inks as always. Really well behaved, really easy to work with. I love the way that each of them has kind of like a very individual feel to them. I will say my favorite is Paladin, and very closely followed by Warlock. I love both of these. Not that these aren't beautiful colors, they are just personally, these are more my colors, but you can't go wrong with any four of them. This is a really nice, warm, light brown too. It really does capture that tobacco leather that you think of, so I like it. I feel like they really captured the essence of each of these fighter types, and I'm kind of a little frustrated that like I don't really like Paladins, but I like this ink so much. But I mean, it is what it is, right? I'm gonna write with this ink because I love the ink, and we'll forgive the fact that it's for a Paladin, for a Paladin fighter. But yeah, if you liked this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so already, and leave me down in the description, like in the comments below, what fighter type you like to be. So if you're playing RPGs, what's your fighter type? What do you like to be? All right, everybody, have a good one. Bye-bye.